Hey guys, what's up? Tom Spark here, back with another video. And something really weird happened with this video. You might notice that the lip is not syncing with my voice, and the reason being is that there's some kind of weird audio distortion. But anyways guys, today we're going to be talking about a VPN hotspot on PureVPN specifically, and if it really works and what you need to get it to work. Initially I thought this was a really cool feature and something I was like, why don't other VPNs have this? But upon further inspection, I kind of figured out why. There's some pretty steep requirements to get VPN hotspot working, and you're pretty much going to need a VLAN supported Wi-Fi network adapter. These can be pretty expensive, and I'll cover that later on in the video. But in this video, I'm going to be discussing, what kind of problems you might have with this VPN hotspot feature, and if there's really any other way to set up a VPN hotspot. There's also a couple other ways to get similar results to VPN hotspot. But mainly what you're going to have to do is use a VPN router. With a VPN hotspot, essentially what you're doing is turning your PC into a Wi-Fi connection that you can connect to from any other internet connected devices within the same area. So let's say you could connect to your PS4 to your computer's Wi-Fi hotspot and get unblocked access to the US version of Netflix, for example. So this is really cool if you really want to get a VPN connection from your computer. However, like I said, it's actually not that easy, and it actually might just be easier to purchase a VPN router that's pre-flashed or something like that in order to get a VPN Wi-Fi signal house-wide. Let's go ahead and discuss, what kind of trouble you're going to run into. So I couldn't figure out why I couldn't get it to work, and I figured out that you're going to need a VLAN supported Wi-Fi network adapter. And these are actually pretty pricey. Here's one on Amazon that looks like it could fit the bill. I'm going to put that in the description if you do want to purchase this to make your own hotspot on your computer. Once you have something like this, you should be able to make a hotspot on your computer. And or maybe you already have a network adapter like this that supports VLAN. Just go ahead and maybe do some research into that. But anyways, guys, let's show you how to check and see if your adapter would support a VPN hotspot. So what you're going to want to do is open up that command prompt and run as administrator. Just go ahead and put the Windows button to open that up. And then you're going to want to type this code in that's going to basically do a check and see if your drivers support it. That code I already put, but you're going to want to check this part right here, hosted network supported. If it says no, unfortunately you're not going to be able to use this VPN hotspot feature from PureVPN or even make a hotspot on your computer. You're going to need to buy a VLAN supported network adapter. So guys, unless you already have a VLAN supported network adapter, which I'm not sure many people do, since even my Dell XPS 15, most laptops don't really seem to support these kind of VLAN enabled network adapters. They're pretty beefy and expensive. I think a more easier solution, and maybe even a more powerful solution, would be instead to use a VPN router to create a VPN Wi-Fi signal throughout your house for your internet connected devices. And if you want to check out that video, I've created a video on how to do that and connect things like a PS4, but it also works with other devices as well. So guys, go ahead and check that out in the link down below. And again, if you want to check out more PureVPN content, stick around the channel or check out some of my other videos.